This video introduces key and FLEXaKEY of HVS-190. First, we will explain the key types on HVS-190. There are three key types that can be used with ME key. The first is the luminance key. This is also called a self-key. The second is a full key. This performs picture-in-picture. The third is a bus key, which is used by inputting a fill key signal from an external source. Next, we will explain key setup. This time, key 1 of ME1 will be used. The key assignment buttons are located in the upper row of the bus row on the control panel. Double tapping the button acts as a shortcut to open the key setup menu. To access from the keypad, press the menu button, then any key button. This time, we will set up the bus key. Create a bus key using the fill signal image and the key signal image. Press F1 to select Insert Source, and press F1 or the Page Down button. Key 1. Insert Source menu appears. Turn F1 to select Bus for the type item and select Bus key. Press F2 to select the signal used for key insert in the insert item. Press F3 to select the signal used for the key source in the source item. Press the Key 1 Trans button on the control panel to confirm that Key 1 is engaged. HVS-190 offers two Chromakey generation methods. CK Mix is a method of creating a composite image without using a keyer. The Chromakey background image is fixed. Keyer Mix is a method of combining with background video using key 1 to 2 or FLEXaKEY 1 to 4. First, explain how to set CK Mix. Switch the crosspoint of the output video to CK Mix to display the Chromakeyed composite video. Assign CK Mix to button 10. Open the Setup panel. Bus Assign menu. Press F1 to select button 10. Press F2 to select CK Mix. Press button 10 in the preset row to display the Chromakeyed image on the preview screen. Then, the preview video is displayed on the auxiliary output. Press CK in the Select Keypad section to display the CK menu. Open the Auto CK menu. Press F1 to select the signal used for Chromakey. Press F2 to select the video used for background. Go to page 2 and press F4 to change cursor to on to enable the cursor display. The Chromakey image is displayed in front of the preview screen and the cross cursor appears. The current cursor coordinates are displayed in the position X and Y fields. Move the crosshair cursor over the hollowed out color by moving the joystick back and forth, left and right. To fine-tune the position, press F1 and F2 to move the crosshair cursor. When selecting a color, specify a darker or darker area. This makes later adjustments easier. Press F3 to select sample 1 and press F3 to generate a Chromakey. Turn cursor off and make the crosshair cursor disappear. You have now created a chroma keying using CK Mix. Next, we will explain how to set up Keyer Mix, which uses key 1 for chroma keying. Select a background signal on the program bus. Press key 1 in the Select Keypad section to open the menu. Open the Insert Source menu. Press F1 to select bus. Press F2 to select CKF. Press F3 to select CKK. Press the Key 1 button at the bottom right of the control panel to display Key 1 on the program and preview screens. We will now display a preview image on the auxiliary output. Press CK in the Select Keypad section to display the CK menu. Open the Auto CK menu. Press F1 to select the signal used for Chromakey. From then on, chromakeying is performed in the same way as for CK mix. In Keyer Mix, the crosshair cursor is also displayed on the program output when the program out item in page 1 is switched on. This is all about chroma keying with Keyer Mix. The Chromakeyer has 3 color sample memories. If the back color is uneven, you can specify a color in 3 places and generate a Chromakey with 3 color information. In this example, we will use 2 color samples. Display page 3 of the Auto CK menu. Press F1 to change the number of samples used into 2. Go to page 2. Press F3 to select sample 2 for select. Display the cursor and use the joystick to select the place to hollow out and generate a Chromakey as before. The color of sample 2 is determined and a Chromakey is generated with the color of the sample 1 and sample 2. Operate in the same way when using 3 samples. We will move on to how to set up FLEXaKEY. Select the output destination for FLEXaKEY 1 to 4. Press the Menu or Setup button and select Key DVE in the Setup menu. Go to page 3 of the Key DVE menu. Select the output buses for FLEXaKEY 1 to 4 respectively. There is a FLEXaKEY assignment button at the top of the OU. Double-tap the FLEXaKEY assignment button or press the menu or any FLEXkey button on the keypad to display the FLEXaKEY assignment menu. Setup of FLEXaKEY is the same as key 1 to 2. The FLEXaKEY menu can now be displayed. Finally, key priority. You can change the layer settings of key 1 to 2 and FLEXaKEY. Set the layer settings for key 1 to 2. Open Key 1 Priority Menu or Key 2 Priority Menu. Specify the top and bottom of the layer. Next, set the layer settings for FLEXaKEY 1 to 4. Open the FLEXaKEY 1 Priority menu. Change the layer. You can change the top and bottom of the layer like this.